So you're ready to advertise your business on the Wedding Experts by placing a banner ad, but you do not have a listing on the site with us. So this tutorial is going to walk you through how to put a banner ad on the Wedding Experts. First, when you come to the homepage, theweddingexperts.love, you're going to go to the Advertise with Us option in the top right of your screen. From there, you're going to scroll down the page and you will see banner options on the right. And we're going to click that option. Then you make the choice, what type of banner ad would you like? Leaderboard, large mobile banner, square, wide skyscraper. And then if you want to see a sample of what these are, you can click right below Start Today and it shows you how the banner ad looks on the website. So as you can see, this is a large top banner and it's called Leaderboard. The size on this is 728 by 90. And the way I know that is right below the names are the sizes for each of the banner ads. So once you make your decision on which banner ad you want to go with, you just click Start Today. The next screen that comes up is going to ask you some questions. And it says at the top, what do you want to call your banner? And I'll just label this Test Banner. Down below, how do you want to pay? You can either pay monthly or yearly. If you pay for a year, you get 2 months free. And then you select if you want to pay by credit card or by PayPal. Once you've made that choice, you then click the red Continue button at the bottom. Now you're taken to a page where you will create a username and password. The username will be your email address. So you put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and put in the password you'd like to have for your account. And then you want to do the reCAPTCHA and then hit the Submit button. If for any reason you already have an account, you can also go down here and hit the Login button to enter your email address and your password again if you already have an account. Now we're going to click the Submit button after you get your information in. You're then taken to the screen that walks you step by step through the details of your banner graphic and information that includes options for your banner ad. So let's walk step by step through it. You will see the banner type here that you selected, the caption that you put in, banner details. You have general pages, listing, deal, event. So this is giving you the option, where do you want your banner ad displayed? Do you want it on all the general pages, or do you just want it to show on the listing page where there's the wedding businesses listed? Do you just want it to show on the deal page or the event page? Most people will select general pages. However, if you want more targeted traffic, then you can select the individual page you want. You can also select by category. So if you click on you want listing on the business pages, except non-category search, so maybe it would be gift registry. You want to show up as the banner ad if someone visits the business listings under the category gift registry. So then what you would do, I'm going to go back to general pages because like I said, most people will select general pages. And I always tell people to do open in a new window is yes. So that way when they click on your banner ad, when a visitor clicks on your banner ad, when they do, it will open in a new window with the website link that you put right here in the destination URL. So where do you want this to direct people when they click on this banner ad? Most people, it will probably be their website. Okay. If you're using a script banner, this tutorial is not regarding script banners. If you would have any questions about this, you can reach out to support by shooting us an email or going to the contact page and filling it out. So now we're going to go down to geo-targeted settings. What this is you can determine how far from your location your banner ad is displayed. So if you have a service area of 100 miles, okay, then you could put in 100. And you can do up to 25,000 miles. So if for some reason you are a nationwide business, you probably want to put in the limit of 25,000 miles. If you're more local based, then you will want to go through and you will want to pick out your distance. This allows for very targeted advertising for your banner ad. We can keep going. The country, United States, can select your state, and then you can put the city in. For this, I'm going to select Louisville, Kentucky. Nothing left to fill out other than the save button, but you do not want to fill that out just yet. Take that out. After you complete the geo-targeted settings section, you will want to go back to the top, and over here on the right, this is where you will upload your file. And you want to make sure it's the correct size. So for this tutorial, I selected leaderboard, which is 728 pixels by 90 pixels. And what you will do is you will click choose file, and you will go find your saved graphic, and you can upload it. We allow for a few different types of media formats: GIF, JPEG, PNG, and also SWF. Once you've selected your file, you will then go down to the bottom and click the Save button. Now, if you did not fill out the payment screen before you came here to your details screen, you may see up above billing a little red number 1, a pinkish red number 1. So after you click the Save button, you will want to go to your billing tab, and you will want to make sure that you complete your checkout because your banner ad will not be approved until it is paid for. Again, you do not want to click on this until you've clicked the Save button down at the bottom. At any time, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to support, and we hope this helps you with setting up your banner ad on the Wedding Experts.